Lucas Jaguar Prometheus, a forgotten pioneer of autonomous driving. While today's self-driving cars seem like a futuristic reality, there was a time when the idea seemed like science fiction. One such vehicle, a true pioneer in autonomous driving, was the Lucas Jaguar Prometheus. Developed in 1994, the Prometheus was a joint project between Lucas Industries and Jaguar. It was equipped with advanced technology that was far ahead of its time. The Prometheus featured adaptive cruise control, collision warning, lane guide centering, and even automatic emergency braking. These features were groundbreaking for the era and showcased the potential of autonomous driving. While the Prometheus may seem primitive compared to today's vehicles, it played a crucial role in shaping the future of autonomous driving. Its development demonstrated the feasibility of this technology and inspired future innovations. The Lucas Jaguar Prometheus may have been forgotten by many, but its legacy lives on in the self-driving cars that we see on the roads today. It was a true pioneer in a field that continues to evolve rapidly.